Happy Fresh Friday. So one of the things, the most common things I hear people say is, oh, I have this thing, it's because it's my genes, I'm just genetically predisposed, right? Wrong. Did you know that we have the ability to change our genes? There's something called epigenetics, which is completely changing the way we think about genetics. Basically, we're finding out that what we do or don't do has the ability to change our genes instead of just being victim to them. So I don't know about you, but I think this is amazing news. It's like my 5-year-old Lucy says, technology, Mom, it's technology. So if you're someone who ordered a genetic test, whether it's from 23andMe or Ancestry, you've probably found a few cool things about it, about yourself, that you might not have otherwise known. For example, your heritage, whether you're a carrier for certain diseases, or even if you have a tendency to be overweight. But me personally, you guys, I didn't find anything particularly useful with my 23andMe results. I mean, it was cool to know I'm almost 80% Ashkenazi Jew, even though my mom doesn't believe it. But hey, Albert Einstein was Ashkenazi Jew, so I don't know, it makes sense to me. But I also found out I don't necessarily go into the deepest sleep, and I have the tendency to drink more coffee than the average person, which, I don't know, maybe that's why I don't go into a very deep sleep. Go figure. I mean, but this is what 23andMe says. So when it comes to prevention, I was expecting a little bit more. But guess what, guys? Now I actually have that little bit more. It's actually a lot more. So how does it work? Basically, what I do is I take your raw data from your 23andMe or your Ancestry results, and I upload it into my program where I create a customized, complete prevention plan for you based on your personal genes. And so just to give you guys an example of the few of the things that I found when I did this for me was, I don't naturally detoxify as easily as most people, hence the completion of the complete detox program, because it's helped so much. I also have the tendency to need more antioxidants than the average person. And if I didn't know this, my body would be breaking down and aging a lot more quickly than normally. I'm also at high risk for estrogen-related cancers, which also runs in my family. And so those are just a few things I found that I'm diligently working on, and hence not being a victim to my genes or waiting for something to manifest before it's already too late, and then working twice as hard to treat it when it's something I could have prevented in the first place. So knowing these things has shown me what specific things to incorporate and focus on a daily basis when it comes to prevention that are specific to me. So if you would like to maximize your genetic results, whether it's from 23andMe or Ancestry, let me know. I'll be happy to help. Just click the link below to find out more. And of course, private message me with any questions that you have. The best part about this, you guys, is that this is information that is good for life. This does not change. This is based on our genes right now, and some things that we could do to incorporate to prevent something that could be lingering out there in the ethers if we didn't know about it. So I really encourage you to check this out. And remember, when you live fresh, you nourish the whole you. So have a great weekend. I hope this was helpful. I know a lot of you guys commented about having the 23andMe results already or the Ancestry, but that was like me. I had those results and I really just didn't know what to do with them until I found this prevention program. So I am happy to offer that as a special going on right now. And you don't even have to leave your house in order to get this prevention plan. So like I said, I hope you take advantage of it. It would be my pleasure, and I just wish you all a beautiful day.